Setup and Hello World. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to get your first C++ project up and running in the code blocks. So over here, I just opened up code blocks. And this is like the welcome screen what we get when we open it. And over here, there's a couple of options says create new project. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So let's click create new project and it will open up a little window, so you'll see there's all these different options, and these are essentially just different types of C++ applications that we can create. We're just gonna do the basics, so come over here and click console application and just click go, and we're just gonna click next, and over here you'll see where we can select between a couple of different languages. We want to click C++ and click next, and we're just gonna give this project a title. I'm gonna call it Morales Then Clarence P, and when you see here, I'm gonna store it in documents folder, and let's click next, and you see here there's a bunch of options. You can just leave there as the default, and we're going to click finish. Once we click finish, our C++ project should have been created. So over here in our little previewer, you'll see that we have our C++ project, and down here inside of the sources folder we have this file named main.cpp, and cpp is a file extension that stands for it, C++. So I'm gonna right click this and I'm just gonna open it, and you'll see over here we have a bunch of code that's already been included in this file. So this is essentially the most basic C++ file that you can write. This is what we call hello world program. So you see down here, it's just printing out hello world in the screen, and if you click this build and run button, a window should pop up and it should say hello world in this black window. So let's go over some basics terminology. Generally, whenever we're going to run a program in C++, we're going to run a program in C++. We're going to build the program and then we're going to run the program. Build in basically means that we're taking all this code over here and we're converting it down into a language that the computer can understand. So the first thing that we have to do is build the file. Then what we want to do is run the file, which basically means we're telling the computer to execute all of the instructions that we wrote in our program.